Vajrasana, the diamond pose. It is also called as the Thunderbolt Pose. One of the most simple, easy asanas. But today I will show you 3 variations in Vajrasana. What are the benefits of Vajrasana? Digestion, strengthening your pelvic muscles, your pelvic bone and your thighs. It also benefits your posture. It can do away with menstrual cramps, and the benefits are immense. But let me just show you the 3 variations of Vajrasana. But first, Vajrasana, the main pose. You can watch how it is. So here, now the bottom is resting fully on the heels and this is fully flat. So this is one variation, and you can have your hands on your thighs or you can hold it in this posture and go ahead. Try to keep a straight back. Now how do you know whether your back is straight? Your chin should be parallel to the ground and your ears above your shoulder. Chin parallel to the ground, ears above your shoulder. Okay, and this is one variation. Second variation is you may have it on your heels. If you can't sit with a folded ankle, you can put it on your heel and take this posture. Total duration can vary anywhere from 7 seconds to start off with, go up to 15 seconds, 30 seconds. You can go up to 3 minutes or even 5 minutes and occasionally come out so that there's a blood circulation so that it doesn't get stuck. Okay, this is the second one. There's a third variation for Vajrasana like this, which means this comes folded, okay, fully folding, and here the base goes and hits the floor, okay, where the Muladhara chakra is in touch with the earth. This posture is very easy for children. Little babies, as they are crawling, they can easily sit in this posture. For adults, it may be difficult. Some of us call this as Siddhasana, not to be confused with Ardha Padmasana. So there are different schools of thoughts. We'll not go into that. So this posture, if you want the Muladhara to hit the base, that means to hit the earth, you can go for this for a few seconds, but not mandatory. This should be sufficient. If you can come to this one or this posture. Okay. Friends, that is Vajrasana for you. Thank you for watching us. If you have not yet subscribed, more is going to come. Do subscribe and do put in your comments for any other asana or posture or some questions. Thank you.